Welcome to the channel. In my system, Python is already installed. Here you can see, right? So I wanted to use Python in the command prompt. So I used Python command here and entered. Here I'm getting an error. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is because while installing the Python, I forgot to add Python to path. So now what to do? How to fix this issue? One method is I can reinstall Python on Windows, and during the installation process there is an option add to path. I can select that option and then I can install Python on Windows. And the second method is I can add Python to path manually. So today I'll show you how to add Python to path manually. For this, first we need Python location where Python is installed in our system. To find that, go to Windows search bar, type Python, and here in this side you can see open file location, right? Here click on this. Here we can see this window now. Click on this Python 3.14 64-bit. Right click here and go to open file location. This will take us to the location where Python is installed. And now to get this location, here click on this address bar and copy this. We need this, right? So copy this. Now minimize this. Go to Windows search bar, start menu, and here edit environment variable. Here you can see this option. Click on this. Now here in the environment variables, in the user variables section, go to path and click on this edit. Okay, now here we want to add Python to path. So go to new and here paste. Okay, so now click on this OK. Next, we need Python scripts also. So here you can see scripts folder, right? Click on this, double click. It includes pip. We need this. So that's why here copy this, close this, and here in the path, edit, new, paste this. Scripts also. Then OK. And here click on this OK. Now we are done. Let's verify this. Let's type Python. Here you can see Python interactive mode. Here you can write the code. And also you can use pip also now. If you write pip version, it will give pip version. Okay. So this is how we can add Python to path manually. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.